Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for October 10. A special joint sitting of the Houses of Parliament was held on Tuesday to pay tribute to former Prime Minister Edward Seaga. Mr. Seaga, who retired from political life in 2005, is to date the longest-serving Member of Parliament and the sole surviving member of the team that helped to craft the Independence Constitution. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, in her tribute, said it was time to pay respect to the foundational lessons imparted by Mr. Seaga.
We thank you, moreover, because your work and ideas have helped to provide a framework for us to contemplate with pride our globally acknowledged achievements and to face the future with hope, with confidence and strength in the promise of our people.
For his part, Opposition Leader Andrew Holness expressed gratitude for Mr. Seaga's institutional leadership.
Having analyzed the problems with profound accuracy, he then went on to engineer the solution. But he goes one step further. He embeds the solution in institutions. Institutions are the building blocks of society.
In his response, the former Prime Minister shared his gratitude to the Parliament.
May I thank you for the kind and thoughtful observations proposed in your tributes. Few person on this little island whose people hold to firm political views can claim to have become a product of Parliament rather than party. I am happy to be cast today in a broader role than I have enjoyed in my parliamentary years, and I thank Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller.
President of the private sector organization of Jamaica, Christopher Zaka, says discussions being pursued between private sector interests, government and civil society will pave the way for growth in the economy. Speaking with JIS News prior to meeting with the Prime Minister Tuesday, the PSO Jay head said despite the predicted slow growth in the global economy and possible impact locally, Jamaica was up to the challenge.
But I think we have what it takes here as a country and as a business sector to rise above all challenges, as long as we all pull together and as long as the business environment is conducive to us. And that is what we feel. So we are positive on the future.
The Youth and Culture Ministry is on a drive to empower young people to create business opportunities for themselves. The Portfolio Minister, Lisa Hanna, says in light of the recent job shortage and economic challenges, entrepreneurship will allow young people to realize their true potential.
We have some unique skill sets in Jamaica. We want to give you opportunities that will make you access and develop a small business idea maybe that you might have.
Minister Hanna was speaking at the recent Creativity for Employment and Business Opportunity Workshop, which is part of a regional program developed by CARICOM and local youth interests. 25 at-risk youths participated in the 5-day initiative, which sought to develop their entrepreneurship skills while enhancing their social and personal skills. As Jamaica 50 celebrations continue, attention is to be turned on the intangible cultural heritage of the island's maroon ancestors and their contribution to democracy, governance and general development of Jamaica. These issues will be explored in a one-day, one-time conference planned for October 27 in the Accompong community of St. Elizabeth. It's being organized by the Accompong Maroon Council with the assistance of the Youth and Culture Ministry and other government and NGO entities.
The story of the Maroons in Jamaica is an important one. It beckons us to stop and to take a look and to listen. Listen to what our ancestors taught us.
And finally, government continues to heighten its measures to contain the number of dengue fever cases in Jamaica and to control the breeding of the disease-causing Aedes aegypti mosquito. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says a joined-up government approach is being used, involving several ministries. Focus is being placed on fogging and source reduction, including treatment and destruction of breeding sites and community-based education. Surveillance for dengue fever has also been heightened. In the meantime, people are being implored to help by destroying mosquito breeding sites around their homes. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.